welcome back. When my family and friends ask, what can I give you? I usually say a Michael's Arts and Crafts gift card or a Visa gift card so that I can go buy the supplies I need for my art. Every year I keep hearing of how gift cards are too generic of a gift to give. So I thought it would be nice to send a supply list to my family and friends so that they can go purchase those supplies for me directly and give me a useful and meaningful gift without all the usual guesswork. I created this gift giving guide from a list of supplies that I use in my studio and that I would love to receive as a gift. Most of these items are replenishable, and keeping them in stock in my studio makes these items top priority. I have the full gift giving guide list on my blog, and I will link it in the description box below. Now, when someone asks you, what can I give you? Simply send them the link and ask them to surprise you with something off the list. If you are watching this video to get ideas of what to give the artist in your life, think about adding a few of these items together and maybe bundling as a gift. They are all useful, and I am sure your gift will be loved. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The number one thing that all resin artist needs is resin. One of my favorite brands is Art Resin. It is a high quality resin designed for artists of all skill levels. It is easy to use with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio. It is safe for the home when used in a well-ventilated area. There's no VOCs, no PBA, no fumes, and it's non-flammable. It's self-leveling and high gloss, and it's specifically designed for art. My other favorite brand name is by Stone Coat Countertops. It is effortless to work with. It mixes well with alcohol inks and pigment powders and acrylic paints, and it has a 45-minute work time. A torch is a valuable tool in resin art. It helps to warm the resin, release the air bubbles, and it can be used to push the resin around the surface. I have this particular torch in my studio and in my travel kit. It is super easy to use, easy to fill, and sturdy. Alcohol inks are super fun to use in resin. They're used to color the clear resin, and the silver and gold metallic colors are perfect in all resin art projects. Pigment powders are an easy way to create colored resin. My favorite brand is by ColourArte. This brand has colors that are bold, vibrant, and super easy to mix into the resin. When working on the larger resin projects, where you don't want the resin to fall on the sides or you want to clean up the bottoms easy, I always recommend using frog tape. It's a little stronger than the usual blue painter's tape, and it comes in many different widths and sizes. It is easy to use, super strong, and a roll tends to last me a long time. And don't forget about the glitter. Glitter adds an extra sparkle and an extra bling, although it can be a little messy if we're not careful. Glitter does add a unique characteristic to our projects that really is hard to duplicate. These are just a few ideas that I have for gift giving that I know I would like in my studio. Please visit my blog for a more detailed list and drop me a comment in the comment box if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.